Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm your data is backed up, then install any pending Windows 10 updates. Once done, open Task Manager and sort by CPU and disk to spot offenders. Run sfc/scano to repair corrupted files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix the image. These steps remove systemic causes. Make sure to note any repeatedly failing services or drivers. They'll guide the next, deeper troubleshooting steps. Now you'll tackle drivers and resource hogs. You should update graphics, chipset, and storage drivers, prefer vendor downloads to Windows-only updates, because outdated drivers often freeze the system. Next, disable non-essential startup apps and heavy scheduled tasks, reboot and observe. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic to test RAM, then open Event Viewer to find critical errors or driver crash logs. Once you isolate a culprit, reinstall or roll back the driver, and verify disk health with chkdsk to prevent recurring. For final cleanup, perform an in-place upgrade or repair install to refresh Windows 10 while keeping your files and apps. This resolves deep system corruption. If you prefer minimal change, use Clean Boot to identify third-party conflicts by disabling non-Microsoft services and rebooting. Make sure to test between changes so you know what fixed it. Troubleshooting tip. If freezes continue after all steps, restore from a known good system image or do a clean install.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.